Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group here with my review of the Smart Way to Smarter Brain, PLR, which launched on the 6th of May at 10 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review video, we're going to go through this PLR, private label rights product, which is a tried and tested hidden wisdom for a smarter brain. So it's a useful private label rights product. There's been a lot of good PLR released recently, and this is another one to add to the set. So if this sounds like something that's of interest to you, then listen on to this review video. I'll also be going through the 5 custom bonuses that I've put together to go with my copies of Smart Way to Smarter Brain. You can get them by clicking on any of these green buttons here before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they will expire. And I wouldn't want that to happen, as I've gone to a lot of time to put these custom bonuses together to ensure your success with this product. Now, having said that, do feel free to go and have a look and see what other affiliates are offering with their copies of the Smart Way to Smarter Brain, because don't forget, you can always come back to this page, back to this YouTube video, when you realize that the bonuses that I've got to offer are way more useful and way more likely to help you succeed with this PLR product than what anyone else is offering. So what is PLR, or the Smart Brain PLR? Well, a secret life hack revealed. Discover tried and tested hidden wisdom for a smarter brain. Now with private label rights, your easy way to fast track your way to unlimited income. Now, as usual, for those of you unfamiliar with private label rights, PLR, let me just tell you the things that you can do with this. You can do pretty much anything except sell the resell rights on again. So you can claim authorship of it and brand it as your own product. You can change the contents, play around with them. You can rebrand them, call it something else. You can alter and change around the contents inside, add new bits, take other bits away. You can sell it on as your own and keep 100% of the profits. You can use it as the basis of a series of articles on your blog or to your email list. You can give it away as a powerful bonus with another paid product, like I'm giving away bonuses with this. Or you can use it as a really powerful lead magnet to attract hundreds of people onto your email list by giving this away. Or you could create a brand new product with it using this as the basis of that product, as long as you don't give the private label rights away as well. So very versatile PLR, lots of things that you can do with it. We'll go through exactly what's contained in this particular course in a moment, but I just want to go through the bonuses that you will get. You, by the way, just click on the link immediately underneath this review video to get access to these. So have a look at the sales video as well, which you'll find on my bonus page. Up here will be this video here that I'm just recording, and then underneath here will be the sales video. So the first thing I'm going to do is give you a masterclass, which goes into a lot more detail than I had just to have briefly on what you can do with private label products and how you can monetize them. It's about an hour and a half long, and it tells you absolutely everything you need to know to make money with PLR products. It tells you the common mistakes people make and why people fail. And after watching this masterclass, you will be definitely in a position to be able to profit with your copies of Smart Way to Smarter Brain. Another thing that I'm including, my second bonus, is on how to make a squeeze page. As we discussed, one of the things that you can do with this product is to give it away as a powerful lead magnet to get people onto your email list and to capture their email addresses. Now, the one thing that isn't included is any sort of squeeze page with this package. Well, we're going to show you how to make one from scratch. It can be very expensive if you use something like Page Builder or ClickFunnels to make squeeze pages, but I'm going to show you this hack from John O. Armstrong, which will show you how for a one-off cost of just $5 you can get an unlimited number of high-quality squeeze pages. The fourth tutorial, you remember one of the other things that we discussed was that you could use this as the basis of a brand new product. Well, this great course from Samuel Chima will show you exactly how to go about creating a brand new product from inception to delivery. It's a very enjoyable course and you'll enjoy working your way through it. And afterwards, you would be in a position to relaunch this as your own new product. And finally, obviously we're talking about using it to build a list. So I'm throwing in this classic list building masterclass, again, well over 1 hour of content that will tell you everything that you need to know about list building and being able to build a massive email list. So, in fact, there's one more. Sorry, did I stop there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, I can't count to 5, can I? It's been that sort of a day. My fifth bonus. I'm often asked by people that don't have a main PC or even a laptop if it's possible to make money just from a mobile phone. Well, I'm throwing in. If you're one of those people, this course here, again, it's another John O. Armstrong course. It's actually called Mobily, the name of the course, and it shows you how you can very easily make $100 a day just working from your mobile phone. So that course is also included with this. So as I've said, I've included hundreds of dollars of content here, and to get them, all you need to do is to click on the green button there, any of the green buttons, and go through to this sales page. So this is what you will get with your product. This is the modules. The first bit is training videos to get you started on your goals. So a lot of PLR doesn't include videos on the front end, only text content. Well, this one does include the videos as well, and you can see a sample of one of them here. So you've got a full set of chapters. Chapter 1, wiring your brain. Chapter 2, understanding your grey matter. Chapter 3, there's more to IQ, digging beyond your success. Chapter 4, when EQs are more than just feelings. Chapter 5, socializing with social intelligence. Chapter 6, Kale, brains and you. Chapter 7, it's in the genes or not. Chapter 8, the art of mindful, how it affects your cognitive abilities. Chapter 9, train the physical to improve the mental. And Chapter 10, what's love got to do with it? So a very interesting course, I'm sure you'll agree. High quality written guides as well to go with it. Cheat sheets, mind maps, resource reports, a giveaway report. So this is a report that you can give away to get people interested, and then you can sell them the main product. So in other words, you've got a freebie to give away, which is weight loss hacks, and then in return for that you can get people interested in the main product. A printable checklist, some alternative e-covers for the product, lots of infographics here that you can use to sell the product on. Quite impressive, some of those. 10 social media posters, again, that you can use to sell it, PowerPoint presentation slides, voiceover audios, articles, royalty-free images, and a license pack. So you can, as we've said, you can edit, add graphics and rebrand in any way you wish. You can claim full authorship. You can use them to create a video training course, offer them as a bonus, add them to a membership site, use them to build your list, use them to create blog posts, and you can translate them into different languages. You can't sell on the PLR rights. And the cost of this, $17.20 only at the front end, folks. So it's a good value PLR, bearing in mind that video is included, where a lot of them are not. Yeah. So Dexter Paglina is the creator of this particular product from the Pixabuild group. And we'll just have, before we wrap this up, a quick look at the upsells. So the front end is going to cost you $17, and you get all of the content we've just gone through there. The first upsell is $27. Now with that you get sales pages, sales copy, and a sales video. Now I know some PLRs do include these on the front end, but they're normally they normally don't include the videos, so I suppose it swings and roundabouts. But on this one, if you want the sales pages, the sales copy, and the sales video, then you need to take the first upsell. It includes squeeze pages, follow-up emails, product banners, promotional emails with that. The second upsell for $27 is a done-for-you setup, so they'll do everything for you. The third upsell, you've got an option to take 1, 2, or 3 done-for-you businesses with full technical installation. Depending on whether you want the 1, 2, or the 3, the prices are $97, $167, or $247. And there's also a downsell option there if you just want the PLR rights to those products without the complete setup. So that is pretty much it, folks. It's another good PLR release. These things in these evergreen niches always sell really well. You shouldn't have any problem selling this product on. We are going to give it the normal rating that we give to good PLR, which is 4 out of 5 stars. And I hope that you will decide to pick it up. As I said, if you do want all these additional bonuses, then all you need to do to get these extra products and masterclasses is to click on the green button. That will take you through to the sales page. Then come down here and click on Add to Cart. And then that will bring you back into the Warrior Plus back office, where you click on the green button to access Dexter's products, and then you click on the blue button to access my bonuses. All right, so all that remains is for me, as ever, to thank you for watching and indeed listening to this review video. This has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of the Smart Way to Smarter Brain PLR.